No, this video is not clickbait. I sold my Hellcat and my old Camaro was destroyed. So what is going on, guys? Riley here. So today we are going to be reminiscing on all of the good times we had with the Hellcat, as well as talking about whatever happened to my 2017 Camaro SS 1LE after I sold it. And I think that we'll start off there because it's kind of an interesting story, so we'll talk about the Hellcat in a minute. Now, when it comes to the Camaro, before I sold the Hellcat, I went and got it appraised at a second location, which was the same location that I sold my Camaro to. The same guy that appraised my Camaro was also there appraising my Hellcat, and he was like, "Hey, good to see you again. Funny story. So, did you ever wonder what happened to your Camaro?" And I was like, "Yeah, I kind of did wonder what happened to that Camaro." And he said, "Well, apparently somebody from out of state bought that car, and while it was on the transport truck being shipped out of state or whatever, it was destroyed." The guy says he doesn't know how it was destroyed or what exactly happened or just any of the details. All he knows is that it's destroyed, the car's totaled. So that would explain why I never heard anything back from anybody about, "Oh hey, there's your old Camaro." It's gone. So I won't lie, even though it's not my car anymore, that kind of made me sad. I miss it. I was hoping that car would live on, and I was hoping that the new owner would somehow find me, contact me, and be like, "Hey, I found your car, it's still going strong." No. So if you're like me and ever wondered what happened to that car, well, now we unfortunately know. But also really sad that this is the very final times I'll probably see both of these vehicles. Hopefully the next owner of this car may be watching this video, and hopefully I'll maybe see this one again. But yeah, here's the final look, guys. This is our final goodbyes. Now, when it comes to the Hellcat, yes indeed, I did sell the Hellcat last weekend. So I've been kind of keeping a secret from you guys for a little while now, but I do have the new car in my possession. The new car has been fantastic so far, and it will be revealed next video, which I'm super excited about. The new car, as I've said before in previous videos, is going to be a project car, and I can't reiterate that enough. Project car. Not necessarily Hellcat replacement, even though that's what it's going to be called. Project car. So this will be the first car that I'm actually going to dive into and actually do real modifications to and kind of do my own build, so to speak, instead of just, you know, some stickers, maybe some wheels, more stickers. So I'm really looking forward to revealing that and starting that process. But before we do that, wanted to take this video to reminisce on the good times with the Hellcat and kind of talk about, you know, just why I did this decision. So for starters, I had the Hellcat for 7 months and I put 12,000 miles on that car. And really I had no intentions of selling it until I got the car appraised, and it was about $3,000 to $4,000 more than I thought they were gonna offer me. So I said, well, okay. Now with that car, I had pretty much accomplished everything I wanted to do with it, and at that point it would have been just owning the car and not really having any fresh video ideas. It would have been just, you know, hey, I own a Hellcat, but that's about it. I took that thing to the drag strip. I daily drove it in rain, snow, whatever, back roads, made a guy almost throw up in it. I took it to an autocross. I mean, I really took full advantage of that car and its capabilities, and I think I, you know, exploited those here on YouTube of showing you guys, hey, this is what a stock Hellcat can do. And honestly, it's really impressive what that car is capable of, and that's something that not a lot of cars can do, is be good at that many things, but the Hellcat pretty much checks the box in every category. As I've said before in previous videos, that easily is my favorite car I have owned to date, just simply because of how silly it is and just the amount of fun I had with that car in the 7-month period that I owned it. So I think now would be a great time for a montage of some old clips with that car that made for some good memories. So just picked up Miss RP. We're heading to our anniversary dinner, and it's like hella snowing, and we're in a 700 horsepower rear wheel drive car on summer tires. Hope you like to party.
Riley! Okay, I didn't like it that time.
You good? Dude, hold up. I swear my food just almost came up. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my God! Oh! Wow, okay, yeah, that's fast. Yes! First pass! Yes, baby! 10-8! There we go. That's a good one. Let's go, baby! Let's go!
0 to 60, 2.9 seconds. That is something I've wanted to see for forever. Jeez, my 0 to 100 was a 6.7 as my best. I pulled 1.24 G's on my launch.
In novice class.
Yeah.
3rd position. Riley leapfrogs everybody in the heaviest, no, 2nd heaviest car in the field.
I hope I don't get pulled over.
Here she is, boys. Check it out. Now, even though the project car that I bought is not a Dodge, I am still a Dodge guy at heart. I will always be. I think the Dodge brand has really, captured me, and that's what I'm kind of most interested in and what I like most. I can say with extreme confidence that is not the last time you will see me in a Dodge. Knowing me, it may be 7 or 8 months, but we'll see. But with the new project car, I will be needing a new daily driver, so keeping my possibilities open there, so you guys will have to wait and see what I decide on that. But like I said, even though I don't own a Dodge, I'm still a Dodge guy. That's still my preference. I like all muscle cars, but Dodge has a special place in my heart. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Really, I should have filmed a goodbye video when I still had the Hellcat. However, it'll all make more sense when you see the next video about why I just didn't have any time and it just didn't really work out the way I originally planned for it to. However, here's the goodbye video to the Hellcat. Definitely will miss that car. It's kind of bittersweet leaving that thing. So I know this video is super simple, just me talking to the camera. I promise the next video will not just me talking to a camera again, because I know these videos get kind of boring, but kind of an important update. I sold my Hellcat, which was, what I've been filming videos on for the past 7 months, and now there will be no more Hellcat videos, at least Hellcat videos that I own. I'm sure there will still be plenty of Hellcat, Scat Pack, whatever, Dodge videos here on the channel. And who knows, maybe I'll end up in another one day. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one with a new car. Take it easy. There she is.
That's dope, dude. I freaking like that a lot.
Let's turn onto this back road here and see how she does. Pretty good.